Hi everybody, it's Nancy here. Today I want to show you some of the great new products that Crafty Critta has in. I know the light and the glare gets pretty bad here, so I'll just set that aside for a minute. And I'm going to start by showing you the two new foils. They are so pretty. This one is called Baby Pink, and it is just a beautiful baby pink. It's a lovely, it's just a beautiful rosy color, and it's almost got silver undertones in it. It's a really lovely pink, and I can't wait to use that. So I'm going to set that aside. And this one, I'm very excited to try this one. This is matte silver foil. And it is, look at that. I think that is just so pretty and will be beautiful in a variety of projects. So I'm very anxious to try both of those, and together they are going to be stunning. And there are some new collections of foil art. So I am going to just open the package and go through it with you. This is product code T0035, and this is all sentiments. And it's always lovely to have I mean, if nothing else on a card, if you have a foiled sentiment, it's gorgeous. So we've got hugs. One, two, oh, that's two that are the same. And then there's 8 sheets altogether, and then 2 in that version, and best wishes to you, sending warmest for you, you deserve. So all these sentiments on here, I'll bring it up just a little bit in case you want to read those while I chat. All of those would work beautifully with the hugs. So you can add a great big hugs and have the smaller sentiments in front of or behind it. So there's 2 of those. And then there are some smaller hugs, excuse me. Some smaller ones like that and like that. And that is all toner foiling sheets. The foil art from Crafty Critta. And then there's another new collection of foil art, toner art. And this is all patterns. So these are beautiful backgrounds. So there's this one, which has circles and triangles and all kinds of designs. And there's this one, which is so fun, hey? And this one, which really makes my eyes go buggy, but foiled, that's going to be so pretty. And then this one, pretty psychedelic stars. That's really pretty. And then there's a second one of each of those. So I can't wait to try some of those. And then Crafty Critta has some new designer paper packs. And they are gorgeous. There's this one, product code PP0039. I'll have all the links below, but I just want to give you a peek before I get into them and start working too much. These are double-sided, and they're really, you can hear that. That's a really nice weight. They would even make, I mean, this would make a gorgeous mini album. And then this is definitely for spring. Isn't that cute? I've had so many bunnies around lately in my yard and all winter, so I'm really into bunnies these days. Oh, and I always like a good plaid. There's another plaid. Oops. Isn't he cute? There's polka dot. That's a nice neutral page. The color palette for a spring collection. I mean, Crafty Critta is in Australia, so things are a little bit different at different times of the year. This looks like a knit sweater. And then there's a lovely basket. And then we go through them all again. I'm not sure how many there are. I think there's 4 of each. So there's lots enough to do some very fun things with. And I will do some of that and be back to show you. And then the last thing I want to show you is another designer pack, which is so nice. This one is called, this is PP0027, 24 sheets, 4 of each design there. Now we know. And look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? I just love that. You could make that I mean, that could be so many things. Depending on what part you take, you could cover that part, and this would be a rough sea scene, or, you know, I mean, it's whatever you want it to be. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous color combinations. Really pretty. And if you took half of it, then you'd have, you know, all the cool colors. And then on the other one, you've got, you know, the fiery red and orange and yellow. They're just so pretty. And there's a lot of things that can be done with them. So there's 24 altogether, 4 of each, and they're just beautiful. So that is just a little peek at the new products that they have in the shop, and I am excited. I don't want to leave this all empty, so I will bring this one back. I'm excited to get some things made with some of this and to try the new foil, so I will be back and show you what I've done. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.